Are you tired of sluggish acceleration, poor mileage, and engine problems that just won't go away? Imagine unleashing your car's full power and saving big at the pump. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners that can transform your engine performance like magic. These are not your ordinary cleaners. These are game changers trusted by mechanics and car enthusiasts everywhere. If you want smoother rides, more horsepower, and longer engine life, you won't want to blink for a second. So let's play! Number 5. Chevron Techron Protection Plus Power Sports is a game changer for engines. This 10-ounce fuel system treatment ensures superior corrosion and rust protection. Its alcohol-free, emulsifier-free formula prevents water buildup effectively. Techron cleans carbon deposits, dissolves gum, and removes varnish effortlessly. It stabilizes fuel for up to 2 years. Perfect for long-term storage. Designed for severe operating conditions. It guarantees peak engine performance. Easy to use and trusted by thousands. This treatment keeps engines running smoothly. With 4.6-star ratings and high demand, it's a must-have for power sports enthusiasts. Boost efficiency, prolong engine life, and enjoy consistent top-level performance every time. A small bottle delivers powerful results for your machines. Number 4. Gumout 510013W6PK Fuel System Cleaner delivers ultimate engine performance fast. This 6-pack is perfect for high-mileage vehicles over 75,000 miles. It removes stubborn carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports efficiently. The formula restores lost power, improves fuel economy, and reduces harmful emissions instantly. Safe for turbocharged and supercharged engines, it won't void your vehicle warranty. With its octane boosting technology, every drive feels smoother and more responsive. Prevents future carbon buildup, keeping your engine cleaner longer. Easy to use and reliable, it's a complete fuel system solution. Thousands of happy customers trust Gumout for peak engine performance. Upgrade your car's efficiency today with this trending must-have fuel system cleaner. Number 3. Liqui-Moly 2007 Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner is a game changer. This 300 milliliter powerhouse eliminates starting problems, hesitation, and stalling instantly. It ensures smoother idling and dramatically improves throttle response. Your engine will experience cleaner combustion, boosting overall performance and fuel efficiency. Perfect for universal fit, it's easy to use and trusted by thousands. With over 5,400 positive ratings, it's a top choice for car enthusiasts. Say goodbye to rough starts and sluggish acceleration today. Affordable, reliable, and highly effective, this cleaner transforms your driving experience. Don't miss out on this trending automotive essential. Number 2. Stabil 360 Marine Ethanol Treatment and Fuel Stabilizer is a game changer. This powerful formula cleans your entire fuel system effortlessly. It removes gum, varnish, and water for peak performance. Engine corrosion is prevented with industry-leading rust protection. Boost fuel efficiency and enhance engine power instantly. Treats up to 80 gallons for long-lasting results. Simple to use. Pour into the tank and run the engine. Perfect for year-round protection, keeping watercrafts in top condition. Highly rated with thousands of satisfied users and Amazon's choice. Experience smoother rides and longer engine life with Stabil 360. Don't compromise your marine engine's performance. This is a must-have solution. Number 1. Chevron 67740 Case Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner delivers unmatched fuel system performance. This powerful formula cleans and restores fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers effectively. It boosts lost power, acceleration, and fuel economy for smoother driving. The cleaner reduces rough idle, hesitation, engine surge, and spark plug fouling instantly. Enjoy improved cold start performance and stable fuel for up to a year. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. It ensures long-lasting engine protection. Trusted by thousands, it's America's #1 best-selling fuel system cleaner. Keep your engine running like new every 3,000 miles or at each oil change. With Chevron Techron, experience ultimate engine efficiency and reliability. Conclusion: if you want your engine running smoother, improving fuel efficiency, and preventing costly repairs, choosing the best fuel injector cleaners is a must. These top picks will keep your fuel system in peak condition and boost your vehicle's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.